So, ancient cosmology. What is it? Well, when I was being force-fed information in school, I was told it looked something like this, that the world was something that these people thought they would just sell off the edge. They were dumb, and we were getting this new wisdom, and it was addicting getting this new wisdom. But when we actually do some research, we find out that these ancient cosmologists, they didn't believe that at all. They believed in a firmament, an expanse above an immovable world, something I had never even heard of. I had never heard that there was some solid expanse above us according to the Bible or according to these ancient cosmologists. Not one time did that come up. They all believed in this until recent times. And so with all of them believing that, we often wonder, how did we go from believing that the world is as stationary as it feels to going 288 times faster than a bullet through the galaxy because of a Big Bang? There's lots of ways we could lose that wisdom, but one way is we lost our understanding of the definitions of what Earth is. When it was very plainly stated in Genesis, it says, God called the dry land Earth. And when we look here, we see day 2 of creation. Before he even called dry land Earth, what does it talk about? The firmament. So before Earth was even given a name, he spent the entire day making this expanse called the firmament. And when we look ahead, we see that the waters were gathered together. That's where Earth appears. Earth is just dry land. And when you know that Earth is just dry land, you can look at this old map here. This is from the 1500s. It makes a lot more sense when you look at dry land being Earth and reading verses like the one in Isaiah that says he sets above the circle of the earth. What is the circle of the earth? It is the circle of dry land. He's setting above a circle of dry land. And when you read on in that verse, it says the heavens are like a curtain. He spreads them out like a tent to dwell in. That gives us a picture of creation right there. But another way we lost our footing and we lost our understanding is we didn't see the warnings. There was a warning that said, let no man deceive you. And then it goes on to tell us that the wisdom of this world is foolishness to our Father. And that wisdom of this world, what does it tell us? Well, you can see it tells us that you are not complex. You are not intelligently designed. You're so random and unimportant that nothing made you. Nothing made everything. And you're on a world that's moving 66,600 miles per hour. The world is curved at 0.666 feet per mile squared. It's not only that, it's tilted at 23.4 degrees. 23.4, and the remainder to get to 90 is, you guessed it, 66.6 degrees.